Here I have Siver Joy 7 and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it could be simply the calendar. Let's assume that I want to save the following screen, so all I need to do is use this combination power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys just for 2 seconds, and as you can see, the device saved the screen. Let me show you again. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously, and you just capture the following screen. Now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you need to open the screenshot folder. You can do it by using the upper bar and by tapping screenshot captured, or you may also accomplish that by finding and selecting the gallery, and here by choosing the screenshot right here. And now you can choose your screenshot and share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.